Realme Buds Wireless or the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro. Which one is for you? Well, in today's video, let's compare them in terms of build quality, comfort, features, battery life and sound quality and find out the perfect one for you. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. And by the way, if you want to find the best deals on these earphones, you can check out the links down below in the description. So Realme Buds Wireless and the Boat Rockerz 255, the non-pro model, are one of the best rated earphones on Amazon. Realme has over 24,000 reviews with 4.5 stars rating, and Boat Rockerz 255 has over 1 lakh plus reviews. Can you believe it? This is insane. But recently Boat updated the Boat Rockerz 255 with a Pro model, so the world needs a comparison review between these two earphones to know where they should put their money, the hard-earned money. And for that I'm here. Starting with this comparison, let's start with a quick unboxing so you guys can see what you can expect if you buy any one of these earphones. So here is the shipping package, but without wasting any time, let's take out our retail packaging, and here it is, the boxes of the Buds Wireless and the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro. Now we don't have enough time to read all the features on the box, so we will skip that for today. But don't worry, we will talk about every single detail after unboxing these earphones. So inside the box we get the earphones, USB cable, ear tips and our beloved user manual. But that was a quick unboxing, and now let's move to the review of these devices. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. For design and build quality, both of these are neckband style of earphones, which is quite trending right now, other than the true wireless earphones. And for the aesthetics, they are sporty looking earphones. On the Realme we have this black, yellow, teal and orange color options, whereas on the Boat we have teal, blue, black, red and black, yellow color options. Both earphones feel premium, but I would say Realme is more polished device. You will find the materials to be better and high quality. Now that doesn't mean I'm saying Boat is the worst, but I found Realme to be a little better. Now, if you buy one of these earphones, you shouldn't face any build quality issues. But hey, these are electronic products, so you can't trust them. Now, comfort and fitting is a vital aspect when buying any earphones or headphones, because you don't want to be stuck with an earphone which you can't wear for more than a minute. So be careful. Talking about the fitting, Realme and both earphones have ear hooks, which means none of them is going to slip out of your ears every now or then. So if you intend to use these earphones in running or workout, it shouldn't be a problem. Also, these hooks are removable, so if you don't want to use it, you can easily remove them. But talking about the comfort, I feel the Boat to be much more comfortable. I cannot bear Realme for more than an hour of listening. It do hurt my ears. I don't know if it's just me or it is happening to everyone, but I do enjoy listening on the Boat Rockerz. They are much more comfortable. I can easily pop these in and don't feel like I'm having any earphones in my ears. And this is mostly because of the ear tips. They are softer than the Buds Wireless. And a quick fix I do here with the Realme Buds is that I change the ear tips of these earphones and then they become perfect. On the feature side, there is quite a lot. First, let's see what we have on the Realme. Here we get Bluetooth 5.0, which is awesome, but if you are the 1% who wants to connect multiple devices simultaneously, then you can't do that here. But what you do get is the fast pair, which means the earphones will connect swiftly. Magnetic earbuds are also there, which makes them very convenient to carry. And for making things durable, we have IPX4 water rating. And not just that, it also has auto on and off, which means the earphones will automatically turn on when you detach the magnetic earbuds and will turn off when you attach them again. It saves a ton of battery, plus you don't have to hold any button for few seconds to turn them on or off. And for the battery, there is fast charging feature on the Buds, which means if you charge the device for 10 minutes, it will give you around 100 minutes of playback. We will talk more about the battery life later in this video, but for now let's talk about what we get on the Rockerz 255 Pro. So on the Boat we have Qualcomm QCC 3003 chip and Bluetooth 5.0, which supports multiple simultaneous connections, which means you can connect your earphones to the laptop and your smartphone at the same time. So if you're listening to some tracks on your phone and you get a video call on your laptop, you can pause the song and the earphones will start playing the audio from your laptop. Like the Realme Buds Wireless, we get magnetic earbuds, so these also become manageable. Now there is no fast pairing and no auto on or off, but we do have fast charging. No. ASAP charging, which enables us to get the earphones fully charged in an hour. And for the IPX rating, we have IPX5, which is better than the Realme Buds wireless. Now, none of these earphones can be used for gaming. I mean, you can, but the latency is high and it won't be a delightful experience if you do so. Getting to the battery life, these differ a lot. On the Boat Rockerz 255, we have 110 mAh battery, which can be charged with fast charging in an hour, and after that it is expected to provide around 6 hours of playback. And when I was testing, I got around 5 hours of playback, which is not that great, but it depends on your usage, what volumes you are listening to. And similarly on the Realme, we have 110 mAh battery, which can be charged in 1.5 hours, and you are supposed to get 12 hours of playback, and in my testing I was able to get around 10.5 hours of playback, which is twice than the Boat. So there is a huge difference in terms of battery life. Both earphones have inline buttons, which includes play pause button and the volume rocker, so there is nothing that you can't do from these buttons. And speaking of the audio quality of the inline mic, this is what this sounds like. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Realme Buds wireless. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro. Now getting to the point for what you all guys have been waiting for, which is the sound quality comparison of these earphones. One thing I want to get out of the way is that the Realme Buds wireless and the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro both are bass oriented earphones. So if you hate earphones that pump out a lot of bass, you should look for something else like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Review is right up there. But if you do love bass, then we should continue. So the main competition between these two earphones is only about the bass. Both produce very decent mids and highs, which is not much needed by bass lovers. But on the bass side, we have explosions. Bass on the Realme is very good. You can listen to all the low end, but I think it's not very clean. I tried a lot of earphones, but this is not the best that I've heard. But the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro has an impressive bass. It's better than the Realme and is way clear and smoother, and it is a hair louder than the Realme. So if I keep you in my mind as a bass loving person, you will definitely enjoy the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro's sound. Talking about the price, both of these earphones are priced under 2000 rupees segment. Realme will cost you 1800 rupees, where for Boat Rockerz 255 Pro you will have to pay 1600 rupees. Now you can also pick the non-Pro model of this 255, which is 200 rupees cheaper, and it has the exact same sound quality, but it doesn't have the Qualcomm chip and fast charging, so you can save a lot from there. But now if you ask me, I would say if you don't need all the bells and whistles of the Realme and you want to save some money, you should definitely go with the Rockerz 255 Pro or the regular version. But if you want all those features, you can go with the Realme Buds wireless. But that's been it guys, that was today's comparison. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe, bye bye.